Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Life of a Network Engineer. This channel will be more into networking and also other learnings what I learned throughout my life. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Let's skip to the video. So in today's video, we will be seeing how to configure a IP address in our EVE-NG environment. So there are two options to do it, which is one is through dynamic and another is through static. We will see how to do it. So in general, dynamic is the easiest way because it takes a DHCP IP and also it solves your gateway problem, because to reach this VM environment from your VMware workstation to your direct laptop is a bit tricky. So you can always assign DHCP. First thing is that if it's a default VM EVE-NG, once you have installed, it takes a DHCP by default. You might have done it long before as well. We'll see how to do it. So I'm just logging into the EVE environment from my PuTTY. So 192.168.168 18.18 is the IP which has been allocated to my EVE-NG environment. I'm going to log into this through PuTTY root and the default password. Now the command to change the password is rm-f and then slash, go to the opt folder and also the OVF. From here there is some file which is called as configured. You're going to delete this file. Okay, what happens is it deletes the default configuration what is required, so that it asks you which type of IP you need to do. Is it DHCP or static? So we'll reboot it once. The device is up. I'm just going to log into here. It is root and then the default password. Now it asks for the default password which is required. This is more like an initial setup, but the good thing is that all the other lab setup and everything will not be deleted. It will be just the IP address which will be checked. So I am going to give the root password. Okay, and the host name we'll stick to that, and the domain name, and here you can select DHCP or static. So you can just scroll around, move up and down, but don't click enter. You'll have to click spacebar so that static or DHCP IP will be allocated. Static is where you'll have to give the IP address, which is static IP, what you want for your EVE environment. But it's always better to stick with your DHCP if you are trying multiple internet connections, because each time the internet connection is connected from your laptop's IP changes. So you'll have to create a gateway for that IP from your laptop through the command prompt, like a route command. But that is a bit extra work, so it's always better to do a DHCP. Just click on enter. NTP, we'll leave that, and direct connection. So we'll boot up. So the device is up again. We'll just give root and EVE. We'll just check if all the tabs which I have configured before are available. So the IP address is 192.168.18.18. Yep, so you can see here all the labs are pretty much intact. Thanks for watching guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Happy learning.